2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. About its engine. The sole engine in the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe and convertible lineup is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder with 255 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive are available, but regardless of the drivetrain configuration, the transmission is a 9-speed automatic. Performance is not bad, but the A5 and 4 series with similarly powerful engines are noticeably quicker. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint for the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe is listed as 5.9 seconds, regardless of drivetrain, with a fuel tank capacity of 17.4 gallons across the board. A range of between 418 and 435 miles should be possible. Price: $50,000. About its interior, things aren't nearly so rosy in the second row, which strictly seats only 2 passengers, and, despite a fairly generous 111.8-inch wheelbase, rear seat legroom is cramped and headroom limited. The cabriolet lops another 2 inches off the coupe's rear headroom, making the dark, cramped, and claustrophobic rear quarters, with the top up, suitable for children only. Of course, it's airy with limitless headroom once the top is dropped, but there's still little room for knees. Considering the small trunk, this is a 2-person car, and the rear seats are more likely to be used for extra cargo space rather than people. About its infotainment, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is standard, and it's joined by a freestanding tablet-like 10.25-inch touchscreen on top of the dashboard that can be operated via touch or the steering-mounted touch control buttons. The coupe has a center rotary infotainment controller, and the cabriolet gets a touchpad controller. Features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, dual USB ports, HD radio, Bluetooth audio streaming, and a 13-speaker Burmester audio system. About its safety, it's include 1. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2. Available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.